Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie, and I brought my kids to the pumpkin patch, also known as Aldi. We are going to get Aldi pumpkins. We do go to an apple orchard pumpkin patch every year, but I'm not about to mortgage my house again to pay for them. So we're going to go pick our pumpkins for our porch. Are we excited, guys?
Yep.
Let's see what we get.
That looks disgusting.
Look at all these pumpkins.
I want that one. Ooh, this is like a perfect circle.
Oh, that one does look good.
Ooh, I want that one.
You want this one way in the back?
Wait, I want that one.
Okay. So, Mila, ooh,
That's the one I'm getting.
That's
I want that one.
no, that's what Mila wants. Or Elsie wants.
No, wait.
You want this one?
No.
This one?
Yeah, that's mine.
You want to try it a little bit?
Which one should be Dad's, Mom? Probably that one.
Well, there's also another bin back there.
You don't want this one?
We had regrets already.
That's mine.
No, that was Elsie's. I kind of really like the bumpy looking ones.
I want to see that. This. Here's the bag. Wait, is that yours?
I like the really lumpy guy, yeah. Did you want it?
No. That one down. Oh, I thought that was like a... down. This is...
Yeah, I do. I like the wart on it. Okay, my kids have convinced me to get mini pumpkins to paint. $2.49, we'll get one bag.
I want that one.
We'll be here all day agreeing, I'm sure. I'm also getting stuff to make a cherry salad. I need pineapple chunks, 89 cents. Elsie wants me to take this to a family birthday dinner for her that I forgot we were doing this weekend. Okay, we agreed on this bag. And this is what happens when you bring kids. Mila asked for apple cider donuts, and they're $2.99.
Is that for everyone?
Yes, it's for everyone. Okay, after this, no more adding to the cart, $1.95. She just got out of volleyball and she's hungry. Next, for the cherry dessert salad, cherry pie filling, $1.95. Okay, 85 cents for mini marshmallows for the salad. Dang, I was hoping to get more liters of my plain water. They still don't have them. Come on, people. Wow, I never thought I'd see the day these are marked down. Have you had them? I never have bought it before. And the final ingredient for the cherry salad, whipped topping, 79 cents. So our haul to the pumpkin patch and grocery stuff, I'm gonna guess my total is $26.40. I don't have my cup machine anymore, but that looks good, the cocoa or the cappuccino.
Yeah.
We had an escape from the trunk. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Okay, so I just went live and discovered that my Aldi had accidentally put out the October 17th sneak peek. And here I got the 10th today when I went back. So I'm gonna give you a quick little look at that. I love this wrap dress. So they have it in blue. It looks like, I don't know if that's cheetah meets snake or snake. And then a gray with a cap sleeve. I really love this blue one, and actually the grayish blackish. And $12.99 is a really good deal. So I'll be looking at those. We love the pet beds. We actually have a pet bed. I don't think it's a orthopedic version, but my cats like it in the winter time. They have a baseboard buddy. My baseboards could use this. Again, it's one of those tools. Will I actually use it, or is it just fun to know I have it? Memory foam cushion, super absorbent towels, the ShamWow. That seems like that was on TV a lot when I was much, much younger. a comfort neck wrap for $16.99, a reversible tank top 2-pack. So I wonder if this is like 2 of the same reversible or if you have like 4 different colors. That's kind of cool for $9. Jeggings, which I am a huge not fan of jeggings because I don't like things super tight, $12.99, but they look like they are cute colors. I love the bralettes, $10 for a 2-pack. I'll definitely be looking for that. I wonder what type of accessories are not included with those. Makes you wonder. I absolutely love cinnamon brooms. They smell amazing, they're super cute, and $3.99 is a really good price. We recently saw them at Home Depot and they were, I think, $8.99. We sniffed them and left them behind. I squealed, and that is no exaggeration when I saw the churro maker. I have been wanting a churro maker ever since the first time I left one at Aldi a couple years ago. I have not seen them return, but I love making churros and I love making things. I love eating churros and I love making things homemade. So I have been waiting for this to come. So I'm gonna buy this if I see it, $16.99, and then I'm gonna make a separate video just making churros and demonstrating the churro maker. So hopefully that will be coming soon. They have more candles, diffusers. I have a chair that looks very similar to this. It's not the Adventure Ridge, which is like Aldi's camping outdoor brand, but I have one that has kind of a rocker. But my husband and I are starting to be sports parents. That's new to us this year. And I got a chair to sit at games, and I thought maybe he would like this. So I'm gonna show him that. That's a crumb, ignore that. It looks like an outdoor game combo thing, over the door coat hooks. Lamb shoulder. You guys have heard me say I don't eat much meat outside of the beef, pork, chicken. I have a number of these egg things for breakfast sandwiches. Very good, very effective. I think this is a cute egg slicer, but we don't eat a lot of boiled eggs. And my toaster works really well, but I would love a 4-slice toaster, just not enough to upgrade. So this is what we have. Oh, also I have a quesadilla maker. I just don't have the Ambiano brand. I actually bought it brand new at a garage sale, but someone had it and they ended up not using it. So I got it for $10 at a garage sale. Otherwise, I'd be on the lookout for that because I think it's really a nice tool if you like quesadillas for the family. And bonus, my kids can make them, my 2 older ones, without using the stove. So this is the October 10th preview, so that's coming in this week's grocery haul. Be looking for some of this stuff. So my hungry volleyball player is gonna try the donuts and give us her opinion, right?
Yep.
Go for it, girlfriend.
Really good.
Really good?
Mm-hmm.
Now this is the girl where we'll go to a donut store and she will be the only one in our family that never wants to get a donut. But she likes cake, plain, apple cinnamon. Right?
Yep.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.